Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm gonna do a fragrance review. I have here empty bottles from Brambleberry. That's not it. And I'm getting ready to get rid of the bottles, and since they're all used up, I thought I will give you my thoughts on the fragrance. So this is Almond Sibylla, and it smells a lot like almond extract. They don't carry this one anymore. They may carry their own version now. From what I understand, anything that they had that had the name Sibylla on it was something they bought from somebody else when they acquire, I believe was a lady, her company. It does smell good. I like it. However, I thought it faded. I thought it was a little too soft over time in the soap, at least in cold process. It was very strong at the beginning, and then it seemed to have mellowed out. Relaxing. This, let me smell it again. It's a soft fragrance. It's a little bit on the softer side. I was not particularly crazy about it. I wouldn't buy it again. However, people who may like soft scents may do. It's a little perfumey but unisex. Spearmint. This is an essential oil, and out of the bottle it smells very bad. Well, right now that the bottle's almost empty, it doesn't. It actually smells like spearmint. But I remember that when I smelled it the first time, it smelled very chemical-like. But in the soap, it smelled good. It smelled just like spearmint. So in high concentrations, it doesn't smell that great. But in your final product, it will. Then we have this another essential oil, Litsea or Litsea. Don't know how to pronounce that. This is very citrusy. I used it in blends. I never used it by itself. However, I believe it's one of the few citric essential oils that will perform well in cold process soap. It's very strong. It's almost like the smell of the leaves, like citrus leaves or lemon leaves. Now, Orange 10X. This was one of my favorites because it's one of the few orange essential oils that actually work well in cold process soap. And it's because it's been distilled or processed or concentrated, I don't know, 10 times. So it makes it really strong. It will give you a yellow soap, a soap with like a yellow tint. But it's very good. The peppermint second distillation. It's also something that I like from them. It's hard to find a second distillation, and the fact that it's been distilled twice, it makes it very strong, so it will also last well in cold process soap. So I like this one very much. Now, the soap that you make with it, you need to use it in less than a year, because after a year the scent does fade. But I believe that's true with most essential oils. Now I have here Sandalwood, and I think there was another word there. This is one thing I don't like about their labels. Now their new labels seem to do the same. They always just bleed, and then you can't see what it was. But this one smells very good. It almost smells like cologne, like men's cologne. It has a lot of musky notes to it, in my opinion. And I like musky notes, or musky. So I liked it, but I primarily used it in blends. I don't think I used it by itself. And so because I used it in blend, I don't know how it behaves. It does say that it accelerates in cold process soap, so yeah, I believe that. I think it might have been Sandalwood Vanilla. Shave and haircut. Not a lot of fragrance companies have a version of shave and haircut. I like theirs. It smells straight like some very masculine scent. my husband liked it, so this is one that I will consider buying again. It did behave well in cold process. It didn't discolor, and I'm gonna put a picture of the soap I made with it. I bought this one as part of some soap maker was selling a whole lot. Cherry Blossom. My husband liked it, so I bought another bottle. And it's one of the florals fragrances that I like. I mean, I don't like it as much as my husband does, but I usually don't like florals. But this one, I actually like it enough that it doesn't bother me. And here we have Vanilla Select. I've only used this in blends, so I don't know how it does on its own. I know that it has a lot of vanillin because it's Vanilla Select. It has 15% of vanillin. I don't remember how it behaves, to be honest. It may accelerate. I don't know. I will look this up. Now, the last thing that I wanted to show you was an outdoor essential oil blend that I bought. It's 5 ml. This is very small. It's like the cutest tiny little bottle. Oh, wait a minute. This is not the outdoor blend. This is blue chamomile. Actually, I need to get rid of this. Maybe I should. Who knows. Anyway, their outdoor essential oil blend came in a similar bottle. However, I already used it and it didn't work that well for me. I think the mosquitoes where we live are too strong, or maybe I didn't use enough. However, I was following the amount recommended on one of the recipes from Soap Queen. I think it may work. It just didn't work in the bars that I made. They were lotion bars. This is one of them actually. I think that's all I have. So, thank you. Bye.